One calm night, the stars twinkled quietly in the sky. Everything was peaceful, until suddenly the moon sneezed so loudly that a handful of stars tumbled out of their places. They spun and twirled, looking more like fireflies than serious stars. Down below on Earth, a little boy named Minsu was gazing out of his window. He saw the stars wobbling, the moon shaking, and the sky glittering strangely. Minsu cupped his hands around his mouth and called, "Bless you, Mr. Moon." The moon sniffled, looking embarrassed. "Thank you, dear Minsu, but oh no! Every time I sneeze, I drop moon dust everywhere." Sure enough, tiny sparkles drifted down through the night air, sprinkling all over Minsu's garden. To his amazement, the roses shone in glowing pink, the tulips glittered golden, and the sleepy old cat curled on the fence suddenly glowed like a bright lantern. "Oops," said the moon, chuckling softly. "I didn't mean to cause such a mess. But at least your garden looks magical now." Minsu's eyes sparkled. He clapped his hands and laughed. "Don't worry, Mr. Moon. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, just aim it at my school. Imagine if the blackboard sparkled too, we'd all pay attention then." The moon grinned at the thought, and the stars giggled from above. From that night on, things were never the same. Whenever the moon sneezed, children around the world rushed to their windows. Some held baskets, some opened umbrellas, and some stretched out their hands, hoping to catch a sprinkle of glowing moon dust.